Hey everybody, Mark Edward Lewis here from CinemaSound.com, and this is a tutorial about doing footsteps in the CinemaSound Foley Library. We're in Logic Pro, which is a very happy MIDI-capable digital audio workstation, and we've got a little clip here from an action sequence that we shot a long time ago, here with Rivkah Ravenwood. Just going to play it for you. We've got the natural sound, her dialogue, some music, some ambiances, but that's it. No Foley. Oh, and sound effects. No Foley, really. So check it out. Here's how it goes. And then she bends down. So there's some sliding you can hear in here if you listen carefully. And the rest of it is completely muted. Her lavalier did not record it. So, or the boom mic as it were. So here we've got the female footsteps. We've got cement boots with heels. We've got clean cement boots with heels, and then linoleum barefoot run, the same kind of thing. Let's take a listen to what this sounds like. That's pretty nice. Let's listen to the cement boots with heels soft. It's definitely soft. Let's bring up the high frequencies and pull down the dynamics to cut off a little. See what the slides sound like. Those will definitely work. And what we're going to be doing is adding this to the natural sound. We don't want to pull out the natural sound. We'll use it if we can. Now let's check out... I think I already have this program. No, I don't. I'm going to add a Learn MIDI automation to the layer on channel 4. Now I have it attached to my knob here. Let's see this barefoot on linoleum. It definitely adds some nice low frequencies to us. Let's see if we can assist it at all by adding a little analog EQ. Here's some low frequency gain at around 70 hertz. Maybe even a little more. That's pretty strong. Too much. And then if we mix it together, so those are her boots by themselves. Just with a little extra help. And then the barefoot slide with the cement boots is really, really cool. All right, so let's see what we got here. Honk, soft honk. Let's just get the slide. That's about it. Okay. We're just going to double it up. And I'm a little early, a little premature. So we're just going to drop it over a couple of frames. No big deal. Make sure it's right. That's it. And then we'll get her footsteps right on top of it. And there's another slip in there. You can see, you can even hear it. Just step back. And then we'll get the other slides. And we probably have a little too much of a cacophony of stuff in there, but then again, since it's MIDI, we can do whatever we want. We'll just merge, open the piano roll window. There's going to be another stomp on there when she's here. Oops. Just about there. Oh, right here. Almost. All right, so let's take a look through here. Good. There's a little head bob she does. She goes, don't, goom, goom, like this. And we're missing a little slide in there. Right there. Ding, boom. I've got the other two, but there's one in the middle I'm missing, so. Got a nice little subtle slide. all we needed out of that. Right here. And that's super nice. So all together now. And then she squats down. So that's just an easy way to do footsteps for, in this case, female. And there's a bunch of other things that we can do in the mix, but we'll get to that once we're there and all the clothing and skin and everything else is put in.
Even if you put your step.